Bart and friend are soon to lost in the rain. I am wet, said Bart, and I am lost. I must find a dry place. I must find a safe place. So Bart flew and flew. He looked all around. The wind was strong. The rain was wet. Bart did not see a dry place. He did not see a safe place. Then Bart saw something. It was big and red. It was a bag. Bart flew to the wood. He went over the side. He hung by his jaw. He looked for a way to get in. Then Bart saw a hole. It was little, but so was Bart.